We've just looked at the first quarterly digital intelligence briefing of 2013 that Adobe was excited to launch, and I quote, "We are excited to launch this first quarterly digital intelligence briefing of 2013. Just can't make this stuff up. But we're not here just to have a little fun with Adobe. We're here to see what trends are emerging in web marketing for this year. The most significant survey finding is the continued emergence of content marketing as a standalone discipline. Content in all its shapes and forms is key to everything marketers do. Following close on content's heels is a widespread realization that optimization of all types of content, on-site, off-site, and across a range of different formats and devices, is absolutely critical. How about social media? It was big in last year's report and is still an ongoing force. However, social for many companies is now becoming business as usual and simply another way of disseminating and amplifying content, as it should have always been. The social media engagement category was actually down 1%, though still among the top 3 priorities for marketers. Like social, the mobile channel can also be seen through the lens of content, with companies striving to present information in a way which is compelling and effective across different devices. Mobile optimization means coming to grips with the reality that every experience we offer through digital channels, every web page, shopping cart, and piece of rich content must work well on any device in any location. The customer understands that concessions need to be made for the smaller screen, touch screen input, and slower speed, but they won't accept unnecessary hassle or delay. Apps are part of today's approach to mobile, but they are not a broad answer to this challenge, as the use of mobile web increases daily. What does all this mean? It means your company needs to get useful content out to your customers and potential customers on any and every device they may use to check you out. Furthermore, you may not ignore either your website, your social media, or any other aspect of your web presence. It's time to start thinking and acting as if all of these disparate elements are one organism. It is a big effort, but all of this can be accomplished with a good plan and great execution. If you need help with strategy, content development, or a mobile responsive website, don't hesitate to contact us. If you want to read the report yourself, just search for the Quarterly Digital Intelligence Briefing, Digital Trends for 2013. You can follow us on social media, leave comments on the blog or YouTube channel, or you can drop us a line at the email address on the screen. Thanks for watching. Now get out and do something.